Hello you guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I feel like I haven't been seeing you guys a lot lately. Obviously it's my fault. Today I'm bringing you a makeup tutorial. I kind of want to recreate this makeup look right here. I'm just wanting to explore more with makeup now, just because I feel like I'm doing the same thing over and over again, and I hate that. So I'm gonna start adding eyeshadow to my makeup looks today. And I also want to kind of pair it with that bright pink blush that like was trending back in March, I think, and it's still trending till this day. But I do want to go ahead and put those two together, honestly. I'm very excited for today's makeup look. Hey guys, so I think the first thing that I'm gonna start off with is gonna be my base. Actually, let me come back. I'm gonna go wet my sponge really quick if I can find it. Where's my sponge? Actually, I found my sponge. Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and start it off with the Danessa Myricks primer. I love this primer, you guys. I used to always use the Huda Beauty primer, but I feel like with this one really just controls my oiliness throughout the day, and it's just so amazing. So I feel like I haven't seen you guys in such a while, just because the last thing that I recorded was my Chicago trip, and my Chicago trip took place oh, hold on, I accidentally scraped my thing. And my Chicago trip was in April. My Chicago trip was in April. It is now June 12th. What the heck am I doing, honestly? But I think today I'm gonna go ahead and post my video. So hopefully I do post it and I don't get too bitchy or too scared to do it. So that's what I'm gonna do. The next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is do my brows. As you can see, the ends of my brows, they kind of look gone on camera, but I promise they're there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I feel like I'm pretty scared with this makeup look that I am gonna do, just because it has like a double eyeliner thing, and I don't know, I kind of want to do something similar to that, but not that, if that makes sense. I kind of don't want the double liner, but I want everything else, because I think like the pink highlighted look just looks so good. I was actually like cracking up because I was like having like a serious conversation with my boyfriend, and I was like, I feel like sometimes whenever I tell you something, it goes into your right ear and out the left. And he was like, he said, "That's not how you say it." And I go, "What do you mean? That is how you say it." And he goes, "No, you say it as like it goes from one ear to the other," or something like that. But I was just like cracking up because it was like, bro, it was like a serious conversation, and here we are. You're making fun of me because I said something the wrong way. I think that was pretty funny though. I think it was. Today, what I wanted to do was just like go out and have like a solo date to myself. But then it started raining and I was like, never mind. I did get this like new palette, and it's from Revolution, Makeup Revolution. I remember whenever they used to sell in Ross, and then they got pretty big because like some YouTubers like were talking about it and how pigmented they were and everything. And now they're like in Ulta and everything. Ulta and Walmart. I used to always use their baking powder, but I stopped just because at the time I really liked the Airspun powder. But this is the palette I was talking about, the Revolutions palette. It has so many bright, vibrant colors, and I just love it. It looks so good. I kind of want to do like a matcha, strawberry matcha set or eye look today. That's what it's kind of giving. But with the pinks that are in here, it kind of looks too bright. In the picture, it kind of looks like in the right here, I don't remember the name, guys. Or in the crease. Okay, in the crease, it's like more of a bronzy color. So I think that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Essence Matte Bronzing Powder Palette and just go in with the second darkest one, which is this one right here. I'm gonna just go ahead and bronze it up. I'm gonna make sure like it's very, very light though, just because we don't want the bronzer to like show up too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my everyday foundation, which is the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade N3, and I'm gonna just go ahead and apply it to my whole face. I love this foundation. I also wanted to go to Barnes & Noble, which I feel like I am still gonna go ahead and do that today. Just because me and my sisters, we're starting like a little like book club between like just like the three of us. And I think our first book, we chose like 3 books for each person. So I chose The Mad Wife, I think that's what it was called. And then as jokes, I did JJK. And then I also chose another one. I can't remember what it was called, but I actually don't remember what I picked out now I think about it. So while that's sitting, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some cream bronzer. I am in love with this cream bronzer. Shelby Ann actually put me on to this cream bronzer. She put us on to everything. Like, she's such a good makeup artist. I love it. I think the next makeup look I kind of want to do is kind of like a 90s makeup look. Whenever they have like that scarf around their head. It's just so cute. Oops, I feel like I applied too much. It's okay, we will blend that out anyways. And I just know with like the blush look, it kind of doesn't look like they're too bronze just because they want to make sure that the pink is very out, if that makes sense. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and blend this out. Wow, that's like a white but also like a pink. I don't know if you guys could tell. I'm gonna go ahead and get my powder ready. I'm gonna go ahead and get my powder ready to set my under eyes, just because I feel like with my under eyes it creases so fast. I went ahead and placed the translucent powder under my eyes. The translucent powder that I'm using is the Wet n Wild. The one that I was using before to set my creases is the Huda one, the Pink Blossom one. So hopefully this works out very well. I'm gonna go ahead and actually set the rest of my face with the Huda though. Okay, you guys, so I kind of experimented in a way. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Budgie green eyeshadow to my eyelids really quick. I don't know if I should apply white first. I think I am gonna apply white first, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get the white eyeshadow and kind of pack it on to my eyelids just so then it could become very super bright. And I'm just gonna focus it more on kind of like the lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some white onto my brow bone, the inner corner, and out here. And I really want the pink to pop out. So I'm putting as much white as I can, and I'm gonna layer it with the pink. And then she has it kind of like out here, kind of where the liner is gonna be at. So I'm gonna just pack on some white. So now that I have it all highlighted, here comes the fun part. I'm gonna go ahead and take tail feather. How does that look? Can you guys even see it? Can you guys even see it is my question. Okay, so for the last step for this eyeshadow, I don't know if I'm going blurry or if it's just my vision. I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty in the shade Platinum. Oh, I'm sorry, the Icy Nude palette, and just like kind of like pack it on. I did get a new eyeliner and it's from LA Girl and it says it's new, so I kind of wanted to try it out. So she did have like a black waterline, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. Wait, I'm kind of scared, guys. I'm kind of scared. I used to do black waterline all the time, but then I stopped. I don't know why. I feel like I didn't apply enough pink on this side, so let me apply it really quick. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Wet n Wild eyeliner. I love this eyeliner, guys. This eyeliner, I've tried multiple eyeliners. Okay, I think this one was too high. I feel like this side is gonna be more soft and everything, and then this side, I honestly don't know how I'm feeling about this side. I think the eyeliner itself is like so cute, but I don't know, it's just not fitting with the look. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, apply my lashes and mascara and my lips, and then see how it looks. And then from there, we will see if I should go ahead and do the double liner thing. So I'm gonna come back. I think it's just the liner that I don't like because it's not thick enough. I think that's what it is. So let me go ahead and try making it thick. Now I'm gonna be applying some blush. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Winter Kiss 2.0 from Kylie. And I'm literally gonna pack it on because that's what you want, okay? Okay, I feel a little better now that I have mascara on. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some light lashes to where it doesn't take away like the makeup look or anything. So I'm gonna just be applying these Ardell lashes, the 425s on my face, or on my lashes. So I've been gone for a very long time. My mom texted me. Remember whenever I told you she texted me? She ended up texting me that she was waiting for me at my tia's house. So I went over there to go get my elote and I forgot to take it out now I'm thinking about it. So with the lips, I don't know if I kind of want to do what she had on, but I think I'm gonna just go ahead and go in with the one I always do. I'm gonna come back and do my hair and then I'll show you guys the final look. Okay guys, so here's the makeup look. So cutesy. I feel like I really enjoyed the eyeliner. I feel like all I needed to do was literally just make it thicker because I think this one was like a little too thin. This makeup look was like super fast, super quick, super easy. It was honestly super easy. I guess I was just like kind of stressing myself out just because it was very much pops of color and I was like kind of freaking out because I felt like it wasn't gonna like pop or anything. If you guys enjoyed this video, hopefully you guys can like and subscribe. Again, it was super quick and easy, honestly. I don't know if you guys could tell on camera, but let me get a little closer. Here's the makeup look. So cute. Hopefully you guys can see the pink on my brow bone right here and in my inner corner. I think it's just so cute. I do want to recreate something else very easy, very quick too, just in case. Hopefully you guys have a lovely day. Bye.